For this installation you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Start by locating the rear turn signal light. Open the trunk. There are 2 screws to remove. Using the Phillips screwdriver to remove both screws. Pry open the tail light assembly from the top. Remember to align the clips correctly upon installation of tail light assembly. Locate the turn signal light. Twist the socket counterclockwise and remove the incandescent bulb. Install the all-new LED light bulb. Insert socket into housing and twist clockwise to lock. Remember to align the 4 tabs upon installation. Next, align the tail light assembly with the clips and screw openings. Snap in the 3 clips and insert screws back in opening. Locating the rear turn signal light on the passenger side and repeat these same steps. The ALA lighting LED are huge upgrade.